Today I'm going to replace the filter in the GE French door. Here's the model. There it is, the model number. And there's where this goes in. Brand new filter. To open the door, push down. Finger back there, pull open. I'll be back in a second. So this refrigerator requires an RPWFE. There is a front and a back, as you can see here. It says back. So simply walk up to your refrigerator. There are grooves, but as you can see, that's the back. Push it in, hear it snap, and turn it in. Oh. Front. Put it in upside down. So I guess it does matter. As you can see, it says front. You can hear it charging. Close her up. I don't think you have to do any of the settings on the front. Turn to water. That should be it. Good luck.